Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can use Podly keyword processor to generate some tags, okay? And I've talked a little bit about this in my previous videos, but now that I actually started to use it, I realized that the keyword processor provided with Podly is not perfect, and there are a few, I don't know if those are bugs or whatever, but I just wanted to go more in depth about it so that you can start using the keyword processor from Podly, okay? And so what I do with Podly is that I basically generate the listing using the AI listing creator. And as you can see here, I entered a bunch of keywords related to my design here. And then I would just generate using the generate button. Then it would fill out some of these things. But the thing is that, yes, you get these descriptions and all that, but the idea is that you need tags to work with so that you can upload on other platforms such as Redbubble here, okay? And so here I have the same design from Amazon merch, but I need the tags to work with, okay? And so that's where the keyword processor becomes handy. So what you can do to get these tags is to simply put all the description generated from Podly. Okay, then you just put everything in the keyword processor, and then you can simply add commas with space, you can remove duplicate, you can convert to lowercase, you can remove common words, and I usually also remove special characters, okay? And so then you can also filter using the frequency, and so the more frequent the word is, the more is going to be on the left, okay? And even though you put all these filters here, you can see that there are still some duplicates, okay? And so I'm assuming this is because of the convert lowercase or whatever, because maybe these words here, this word adorable, I mean, you can see that it's 2 times here, and I'm assuming it's because there's the uppercase version and the lowercase version, and you can also see that cat is also 2 times, cute is also 2 times, and it's not able to remove duplicates like the right way. So what you can do is simply get these words and put them a second time into the keyword processor so that it actually remove a second time duplicates and remove a second time common words. And so now that you're able to work with these words, okay? And so from here you can copy the words again, and you can also remove the keywords that you don't necessarily want from this list. Okay, so now I just removed a bunch of keywords, and now I find myself with only 12 12 words I can actually work with and that I can put right here. Okay, and then I can take one of these description from generated from Podly, and I can also put it on in Redbubble, and I can also take the title from here and I can put it into Redbubble as well. And so that's the video that I want to make. I wanted to make a video to show you how you can use the keyword processor. And so I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.